Take a look at this blog. A new post every single day. Beautiful images, great content, real topics. Reviews, comparisons, how-to guides, all published consistently day after day after day. And do you want to know how much effort it takes to keep this blog running? Zero. Absolutely zero. Here's what most bloggers don't talk about. You build a beautiful website, you design the homepage, you set up the categories, the FAQ, the about page. And for the first few weeks, you're on fire. You're writing posts, uploading images, doing keyword research. But then life happens, you get busy, you skip a day, then a week, then a month. And that's the day your website starts dying. Because a website that stops publishing stops growing. But what if your website didn't depend on you showing up every single day? What if you could set it up once? Your topics, your style, your quality standards, and then just let it run? That's exactly what WPWriter's automation does. Every post you just saw on that blog was created automatically. The content, the images, the SEO, all of it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set this up. And if you're new to WPWriter and want to learn how to set it up from scratch, check out parts 1 and 2. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. At the bottom of WPWriter, you'll find the automation overview. This is your control center. Select any of your websites and you can see exactly when each post was created, what topic it covered, and its quality score. Notice the dates. One post every day, just like the blog we just saw. Each one with a score, a topic, and a publish date. You can view any post directly, check the full history, or jump straight into the setup. Everything is tracked. Back on the dashboard, you can see all your posts and pages. You can always create content manually from the editor. But today, it's all about the automation system. Let's click on Content Automation. Here's how it works. The concept is simple. You build a queue of topics, the posts you want your website to publish. You prepare them, review them, and make sure you're happy with the list. Adding topics to the queue is super easy, and here's the key. Nothing gets generated until its turn comes up. They just wait in line. Right now, we have dozens of topics waiting in the queue, each one tailored to this website's niche. To add new topics, just pick your AI model, choose a language, and optionally add keywords to focus the suggestions. Then click AI Suggest. For example, let's create 3 topics comparing Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. I'll type my keywords and hit Suggest. Just like that, 3 new topics added. The queue jumps from 78 to 81. And look at what the AI came up with. Which AI writer delivers the most human-like content? Which model ranks better? Which one is worth your money? Each topic shows the prompt that created it and the model that was used. You can generate any post immediately, delete it, or rearrange the queue however you like. So that's the queue. Fill it up, and the system takes care of the rest. Now let's look at the dashboard. This is where you see your full automation configuration. When the next post will go out, the word count range, and how often it runs. You can also see which templates are active and which AI model is generating your images, everything in one place. Setting this up is straightforward. Click on Setup and start with the schedule. You can publish daily on specific days of the week or at a custom interval if it was like every 2 or 3 days. Choose whether to go through the queue in order or pick randomly, and set the publishing hours so posts go live at natural times, not like a robot at midnight. The content section is where the real magic happens. This tells the automation what to write and how to write it. Set your word count range, say 1,000 to 1,250 words. Choose the language and tell it to pull topics from your queue. Then the templates. I've created a few content templates, each one tailor-made for different types of posts on this site. And here's what's really smart. WPWriter automatically matches each topic from the queue to the best fitting template. You don't have to think about it. Next, the design templates. These control how your posts actually look, the layout, the structure, the visual style. You can add custom designs, include a call to action at the bottom, or write any additional design instructions you want. Now, the images. If you don't need them, just skip this section, but if you do, and you should, here's how it works. Turn on AI-generated images, enable the featured image, set how many images per post. Let's go with 3. And this is my favorite part. You can write a custom AI image prompt. I've set mine to create futuristic, cinematic style images. And look at the results. Every post gets unique, high quality images that match the content perfectly. The publishing section lets you control what happens when a post is ready. You can review everything manually, use Smart Publish to only go live if the quality score is high enough, or just publish everything automatically. And here you choose your AI models, one for generating the content, one for generating the images. Pick whatever combination works best for you. Finally, notifications. Get an email for every post or just a daily summary, your choice. And the History tab lets you browse through every post that was created automatically. And that's it. 0 daily work. You set it up once and it just runs. Just check in from time to time, make sure the quality stays high, and that's it. Your website keeps growing, even while you sleep. That's the power of automation. What you saw today, every post, every image, every day, all created without lifting a finger. WPWriter is free to start. No credit card needed. Just connect your WordPress site, set up your automation, and let it do the work. Head over to WPWriter.com and try it today. Link is in the description.